muscles. Smooth muscles, it lacks striations. There is no actin and myosin irregularly arranged, and they are not arranged in the sarcomeres. It is like this, the smooth muscles. Okay. They have poorly developed sarcoplasmic reticulum. We will see what is sarcoplasmic reticulum, what is sarcomere, everything. And it lacks the tubular system in the sarcotubular system. And specifically, the troponin is absent in the smooth muscles. They are involuntary and mainly innervated by the autonomic nervous system. What are the examples of smooth muscles? Muscles of intestine, then lungs, renal system, all the vital organs. They are smooth muscles. Will you control the function of your lungs? If you think you want to do inspiration and expiration, you can control. If you think you can control your function of kidney, because they are controlled by the autonomic nervous system. They are called as involuntary muscles. But in case of skeletal muscles, you can control the movement of your muscles. If you want to flex your arm, you can flex. If you want to extend, you can extend. That is voluntary muscles. Okay. And then examples of smooth muscles. It is of single unit type, that is unitary type, and it is of multi-unit type. First we will see what is single unitary type. Here the cells are connected with the gap junctions. What is the protein in the gap junctions? Connexins. This is the junction between the cells. What is the main function of gap junctions? Signal transmission, electrical activation, all the transmission of signals is taking place through the gap junctions. If there is a mutation in the connexin protein, what condition you will encounter? Charcot-Maries tooth disease. Okay, so all the smooth muscles. Why Charcot-Marie tooth disease? It is a condition which gives the symptoms all over our body parts because it is in the gap junctions. It is present all over the smooth muscles. Okay, so that is the reason why the symptom is seen all over the body parts. Okay, and the whole muscle mass acts as a single unit. For example, your lungs. You cannot make the apex of the lungs alone to do the inspiration process. You cannot control, only one lobe of the lung should do the inspiration. Will you control like that? No. If it is performing the inspiration, the whole lungs will expand. And during expiration, the entire lungs will contract. Okay. So, that is the unitary type of the smooth muscle. It will contract on the whole. Examples here, the picture given is for the endometrium of the uterus, stomach, everything. See, this is one single unit of the smooth muscle. And all these are connected by the gap junctions. Okay, clear? And next one is multi-unit type. And the most common example is the muscles of the iris, constrictor pupillae and dilata pupillae. So here each muscle behave as a separate cell and there is no gap junctions. Okay, and this, the constrictor pupillae, you can make only the constrictor pupillae to do the function and the dilata pupillae. Both will not do the function at a time, right? So this type of muscles called as multi-unit type of smooth muscles.